Real side hustles that will make you $100 or $500 every month. Sometimes we get in a tight spot and just need a little extra money. Or maybe you are in a tight spot but would like some extra cash to reach some financial goals you have. That's when we need some legit ways to make extra money. The good news is, there are things you can do to earn some extra cash aside from your regular job. Or maybe you are a stay-at-home mom who just wants to make some extra money. It used to be that if you wanted to make extra money above and beyond your full-time job, you had to find a part-time job outside of the home. Nowadays, there are so many ways you can make money. The other benefit of working a side hustle is that we aren't relying on one source of income. In the blogging world, you will often hear people telling you to diversify your income streams and think that this can be a benefit, no matter what your main line of work is, from home, on the internet, or still outside the home. 10. Babysit. An average babysitting job is around $10 an hour. If you work 13 hours a week babysitting, you can bring in over $500. If you work an 8-hour day of babysitting on a Saturday and then another 5-hour shift during the week, you got the cash you need. You may even be able to work less hours if the average babysitting rate in your area is higher. This one can especially be great if you are a stay-at-home mom. Many working mothers need some care while they are at work. You can make more money by offering babysitting services full-time during the week. But there are many part-time working parents who just need part-time care. 9. Teach English online. It used to be that if you wanted to teach English as a second language to foreign students, you had to go overseas. That isn't the case anymore. Many people are learning how to speak English as a second language on the internet. VipKit is a company online that is often looking for teachers. You can earn up to $25 an hour with VipKit, so 5 hours a week would get you that $500 you need. 8. Deliver groceries and other items. If you enjoy driving but don't always enjoy having strangers in your car, you can sign up to drive for grocery delivery apps. Check out Instacart or Spark Driver, Walmart's delivery app, for grocery delivery side gigs. As with grocery delivery, food delivery has become increasingly popular over the past couple of years. Food delivery is an easy-to-start side hustle, with a ton of apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, Postmates, Skip the Dishes, Canada only, and Menulog, Australia and New Zealand only, where you can sign up to become a drive. 7. Rent out your car. Just like you can rent out your RV when you're not using it, you can rent out your car if you want to learn how to make an extra $500 a month. It's an affordable alternative to traditional rental car companies for customers, and it's a good way to make money if you're already working from home and don't need your car. Turo is one of a few different places to rent your car out, and they cover your car with up to a $750,000 insurance policy. You can pick when your car is available and set your rates on Turo. According to Turo, you can make $10,516 each year by renting out your car. 6. Create and sell your own handmade goods. If you've ever wanted to make money from your hobbies, there are plenty of crafts to make and sell online. Although creating handmade products requires plenty of time spent learning a craft, it's one of the best ways to stand out in a sea of commodity products. Think of something you enjoy doing, even when no one's paying you. Whether it's carpentry, knitting, painting, jewelry making, or crafting, these hobbies can serve as the foundation for many unique side hustles. 5. Sell your photograph. Sites like Burst, Shutterstock, and Getty Images are always looking to buy photos that can be used on websites and ad campaigns. And as long as the web exists, there will always be a need for new photos, because websites will always need to update and refresh their content. You can also sell your photography as prints, or put them on a mug or sweatshirt. Get your images on something physical, and sell them as hangable and wearable art. Getting quality prints of your photos is easy and cheap these days, so there's a real market if you've got the right image. You might even sell your photography as a service. Photographing weddings alone can be a full-time gig, and that's not even mentioning concerts, graduations, baby announcements, annual family photos. The list goes on. 4. Personal assistant. Busy professionals need help getting day-to-day tasks done, and many prefer to have one person handle it all, rather than juggle various service apps. This is an excellent opportunity for a side hustler who loves to check all the boxes on a to-do list, from grocery shopping and dry clean pickup to dog walking and getting kids to their destinations. You can launch a personal assistant side hustle with few costs. However, in non-urban areas, you'll probably need a vehicle. 3. Become a freelancer. Becoming a freelancer is a great way to make an extra $500 a month. And you can even do many of the freelance jobs mentioned in this article on the side of your full-time day job. Freelancing is when you run your own business and provide services to different clients. I've already told you about a few different freelance business ideas: writing, running Facebook ads, proofreading, and bookkeeping. But there are so many different kinds of freelance job ideas. More and more companies are hiring freelancers instead of full-time employees. In fact, according to a study done by Upwork, one of the largest freelance job platforms, there are now more than 57 million freelancers in the US. Here are more freelance job ideas you may be interested in learning about: graphic design, web design, virtual assistants, Pinterest virtual assistants, social media manager, consultant, video editor, podcast editor. 2. Become an IRL or online tutor. Teaching is one of the most rewarding opportunities, and with online platforms like Cambly, Tutorocian, Preply, and Learn2Be, it's easy for anyone to tutor students online. Some young entrepreneurs even start freelancing while in school. Services like tutoring and exam prep are so popular in universities among student freelancers that the test prep market is expected to grow at a rate of 6% annually until 2027. Tutors and personal instructors are always in demand, opening up all sorts of flexible side hustle opportunities. 1. YouTube channel. YouTube side hustles are a great way to make money in your spare time by sharing what you know, discussing current events, or providing entertainment. YouTube is free to use, and you can monetize YouTube videos once you've reached at least 1,000 subscribers and average over 4,000 video watch hours per year. This can take a while to achieve, but with work, it's possible to earn many thousands each month. Many dedicated side hustlers have turned their YouTube channel into a highly profitable full-time gig. YouTube is free to join, and you can upload unlimited videos for free. To grow your YouTube channel, you can tap low-cost YouTube ads and share videos on your blog and social media accounts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for insights on extra money-making tips.